So it seems on the 4th of July there may have been some fireworks let off by Mullen Automotive. Hi again, everyone. I hope you're all doing really well. So happy 4th of July to everyone. Obviously, the market hasn't traded today, but that doesn't mean there was not anything interesting to talk about. So late in the afternoon, there was a post from one Mr. Lawrence Hodge where he sort of gave some talk about Mullen Automotive. So I'll read that for you right now. I don't like what I've been seeing at Mullen. I've been asked to keep quiet. However, I am not prohibited from doing something. Hashtag positive pageantry, positive for Mullen. I took the attacks and false rumours and never responded. I'm going to reach out to David tomorrow. Man to man. Real men should talk. No outsiders. Mullen can be the best with my involvement. For some of you think it's funny to watch people lose their money with your funny emoji. I'm human and I care about all people. Happy 4th to all. So from what I gather from all this, the whole thing about Lawrence and the deal with David was still in a very grey part. My thoughts earlier were that perhaps the deal had fallen through. And, you know, the fact that Lawrence wants to go and talk to David about what's going on kind of suggests that there's definitely something has gone on and it's cooled down. And, you know, obviously we don't know exactly what's going on. And Lawrence is kind of indicating that too from his post. So, you know, we might still see some developments on that EMM technology front. I know a lot of people are sick of hearing about it because it's kind of just been this sort of catalyst, which really, for a while, was really, you know, giving the stock a bit of a rise, but getting a lot of shorts action brought into the stock and pulling the price back down. So we might not have seen the end of that talk yet. And, you know, obviously, officially, the MAEO project is still going ahead according to Mullen's website. They haven't taken down the PR. They haven't doctored that. But one thing I did find a little bit interesting about the post is, you know, Lawrence has made a lot of comments about people trying to silence him and, you know, making fun of him and stuff like that. Before, it's nothing new from him, but there was something that got me thinking that maybe he was actually talking about me. Now, you know, I'm someone who, you know, I do look at stocks and, you know, I don't take everything too seriously. I'm, you know, I'm happy to have a laugh at something. And obviously the other week I did a video about Lawrence Hodge and saying that he perhaps looked a little bit insecure and perhaps suggesting that the MAO deal had fallen through because of all the posts he put on social media with him and all these girls in bikinis. Like it was kind of trying to live some like rich boy fantasy sort of lifestyle or whatever. And, you know, obviously I did that in jest. It was a bit of a joke, but yeah, I have a feeling that he might be indicating that I'm one of the people that have been attacking him with the comment about the smiley face, because I did recently do a video on Mullen Automotive where I use a smiley face emoji, or the one that goes like that, for the cover, the thumbnail for the video. So perhaps Lawrence Hodge is having a little go at me. I don't know. Like I just kind of read the emoji face. I used that on a thumbnail the other day. Yeah, I don't know. Like obviously the community who posts around Mullen, there's a fair few people out there, but there's not many of us. There's a general consensus that people are a little bit over his theatrics, but perhaps me and my sense of humor might have gone on his bad side, and I've rankled him a little bit. I don't know. I didn't really mean to do that. I'm a bit like you, Lawrence. I want the best for everyone. You know, I'm not a bad person. If people get insulted by my bad jokes, if I have insulted you, I actually don't know if I am not. Maybe I'm reading into this and seeing myself as being more important on or bigger on your radar than I really am. But you know, it's a bit of a joke. And you know, the way you respond to it like this is kind of doesn't look good. If it's more sinister, like you say it is, then I retract what I'm saying right now. But you know, like you've kind of gone on a little bit like the deep state is after you, but really all people want is EPA tests. Do the tests, talk to David, give us some good news, show us what you can bring for Mullen, because we all want to see Mullen do well, obviously. Okay, we're not against you, we're just having a bit of fun while we do it. Well, I am anyway. Anyway, just a little bit of an update there. Where do you think this is going to lead? Do you think we're going to now see some more twists and turns in the MAEO sector for or MAEO area for Mullen Automotive, or do you think this is just another one of Lawrence's posts? Do you think the deal's fallen through? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hope you had a great 4th of July, and may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.